Hi guys, karibuni to my YouTube channel. For those who are new, my name is Shantreza. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for being there for me since we started the channel as we're growing it. Kindly, if you've not subscribed, hit the subscription button so that anytime
Subscribe.
I upload a video, you get notified. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video down below. Let me know what you want to see in my next videos. So as you see today, I'm in the Rongai house and let's do cleaning. Let's do cleaning. Forgive my cows. Nifunge maji msiniue because I know mtaniua. I don't know. I love a lot of water. Hizi nini zinahitaji kuoshwa. Shida moja na hii hao iko na vumbi. So, I'm done with here. Tuna move to. We're just moving. I'm not even editing. We're just moving. We're just shifting. I call it shifting. So apparently when I was getting this house, the idea was LiQWYD. I turned it to a BNB for 2 months. Then management ikakataa. Hawataki BNB tena. Ningefanya. I had to make it a living place, but soon I'm planning to shift to another different house. Yeah, because I don't want the resources. Actually, before we sweep, I think it's good if we make the bed first. So guys, let's wipe here where the house is stored. So a very old So I usually store my Bible next to where I sleep. So since we're done with the vanity rack, it's clean, it's neat. So let's make the bed and the wardrobe. Have a long way to go. Lazima nikunje hizo manguo zote. I have to make sure the wardrobe looks neat. Yeah, so let's finish with the wardrobe first, alafu ndo tuingie kwa kitanda because I can't manage kutengeneza kitanda then I sleep there. So as you can see from this side, we are done. Everything is okay. Let's head straight to the bed. So guys, I'm done with this side. Let me show you how it looks. Then we continue. Continue. Forgive me. Don't mind the curtain. Don't mind the curtains. So guys, that's how the sitting area and the bed area look like after the cleaning. So let me show you the other side because so guys, there goes the final look. Everything is clean and neat. So what I was drinking, the ring light that I was using to record. See now everything is as it's supposed to be. So guys, so thank you guys for staying with me all this long. See you in my next videos. Love you. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.